Hello you guys, Truck the Chicken here, and it is time for the puppet of the day. Hooray! So, let's get on with it, shall we? Oh, I did it. Let's go. Today's puppet of the day is a pirate. His name is Captain Charlie the Pirate. He has an eye patch, a pirate hat, his mustache, a red coat, a striped shirt, a pants, a hook, and a peg leg and a boot. And you can do a puppet show with this pirate puppet. Ooh! And the boldest one of the day is there we go. A parrot. Yes. His name is Arrrgh the parrot. Yeah, he's red. And yeah. He is Captain Charlie's pet parrot. And I can do voice of them too. Listen. Ahoy, me hearties! I am Captain Charlie the Pirate. What? And I am Arrrgh the Parrot. What? Shut up, you scurvy bird. What? Whatever. How cool is that? Did you like it? I hope so. So yeah. That is a pirate puppet and the parrot puppet. See ya.